Love you, Daddy. What will brother do? Aw, MikeWee loves you too. We all love you, Daddy. So, what are you doing? Oh, lost control of who I was for a second. Right, off on our epic quest to save Daddy. Really? You're just gonna be an asshole? Alright. Well, that was me in real life. Jesus, let's not lose track of who we are. That was me in real life. I take that stick and shove it up his butt. Oh, he's afraid of the water. Right. Nicksown will help MikeWee. Little brother. A trigger to interact. Nice. Okay. No problem. That's so cute. MikeWee, I'm helping you swim. MikeWee! So cool. I like this game. It's fun. Hey. Right. Grab. Yay! You're being a douche again, aren't you? You're just being a big fat fucking douche. Oh, you're gonna be laughing at us now, huh? Well, you know what? Oh, you're doing a dance? We're gonna kick your ass. Brothers you don't want to fuck with. Well, how do you do that? Oh, okay. Right. Jesus. So how do they... Alright, you're gonna jump up, you're gonna jump left. Oh, this is interesting. I haven't played a game like this before. Nice, okay, now I'm getting it. Yeah, it's not as intuitive as you think. But it does look cool. Ooh, okay, so these are good dynamics that I'm learning, so I can't just stop holding right trigger and left trigger. I have to keep holding them. Oh, that's gonna get sloppy. Uh-oh. Drop it. Nice. Great. That was cool. Awesome. I'm gone. Left bumper or right bumper to rotate the camera. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's so cool. Wow. The scenery, everything's so cool here. Alrighty. Okay, we can climb on these. Vandalizing shit. I should probably change the camera. Nice. Ugh, I'm losing track, though, of who I'm playing as. I should just keep them together. That will make things easier. Over here. I guess in some areas I can't change the camera. Ah! Brothers, right stick. There we go. Come on, both of you climb. Can't climb. There we go. Climb. Okay. Up. Nice. Awesome. Oh, balancing act. Alright, little brother first. Don't worry, MikeWee, I will protect you. Very nice looking village, I like it. Right. Sauce. Oh, that douchebag again. You're an asshole. I'm seriously gonna take that stick and beat you up. I can't get through there, but MikeWee can. Yes, MikeWee. Oh, there's some big dogs there. That's sure. Trigger. And moving around. Look at how adorable that little doggy is. Yay, we figured it out. What a little bitch. You suck, dog. Over here. I don't think we can go that way, so we'll keep going this way. Huh. What the fuck? I'm drunk! Let me in! Ah! That was funny. I like to be thorough in these kind of games. You never know. Kitten! That's awesome. What do we have over here? Oh wow, look at that. That looks really cool. Check out the scenery. Wow. Can you imagine living somewhere like this? That's awesome. Alrighty. Guessing we have to go this way now. Alright, dog. Talk to this guy.
Hey, hello.
Really? Okay, well, what else can we do? Little brother. What can you do, little brother?
Hey, hello.
No, that one doesn't. How about this guy? That's what you get for being an asshole. Now.
Anna, when hadi?
Yeah, let me through. Now you gonna let me, or you want some more of the water? My little brother's happy to oblige. Dick. Funny. Fucking hilarious. That's a lot like my little brother, the little prankster him. Nice. No longer in town. Our epic journey. This little village is so cool.
Diana?
Helping out for some sexual favors and stuff. What does a little brother do? That's funny. Oh, little brother plays around with it. That's cool. About this. Yeah! Nicksown, baby! What does a little brother do? Little brother can't do it. Oh, that's too cute. Alright. Big brother made it in. I'm totally losing track of who I'm playing as. Oh, squirrel! Squirrel! Me and my brother used to chase squirrels all the time. That was one of our favorite things. My mom would get all pissed off. She'd be like, "That thing probably has rabies!" And my little brother would be like, "I don't care." Oh, little brother, you shouldn't have done that. He just spanked him. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, that opened it. Wait, do we go that way? Oh, wait, there's something else we can do over here. Over here. I'm not very good at it. No good. What about little brother? Can he do something with it? Oh, little brother's good at music and stuff. Nice. Good job, MikeWee. Just a big clumsy oaf that's good at pulling levers and stuff. let's see what else is over here. Water over there. With you. Oh, drunk guy.
Oda, when hadi?
Drunk guy. He's missing a shoe. Yeah, MikeWee, having a drink. That's funny. Cheers to you, fellas. All right, let's continue on our merry way. Now that MikeWee's a little bit drunk, we got it going over here. Oh fuck! It is a big mean dog. Okay. That's sweet. Nice. Okay, I get it. This is cool. Nice. Okay, we're doing fine, just fine. This is cool. Wonder what happens if they get to him. Might as well get to that one then. Hey, outsmarting the doggy. Harder than your average dog. What's up, dog? Oh, dog. Nice. Hurrah for Nicksown! Yay, we're safe. We outsmarted him. That's awesome. All right. Gotta use this again, I'm sure. I'm on up. Excellent. We're here. Okay. I line him up. I don't want him falling into the water. Nice. Okay. Geez, I always get that confused. Do not. Gotta give you a boost. Nice. MikeWee. And Nicksown. I can climb.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. Yes, we will jump. Nice, okay, we're doing good. Nice, okay, you can just tap it. That's the way to do it. Wow, bunnies! Bog's booty! Sheep. Holy sheep shit. Is that a bird? What can I do with birdie? That's cute. What about MikeWee? What does MikeWee do? Bye-bye, birdie. Wonder what I do now if there's nothing in there. Oh, nothing in there. Pressing. They still give you a context for it, but there's nothing there. Have you run? Guess it must be Big Brother then. Brother or little brother? I'm good at running, so I'll do it. Ah, okay, there we go. Ah, shit, I did the wrong thing. Ah, that MikeWee wasn't on it. I keep doing that. Now I get it. Ah, shit. Okay, I think I gotta carry one of those damn sheeps to put on it, and then I can do it. Okay. In which case, if I gotta carry a sheep, carry a sheep. Nice. All right, come here, sheep. That makes more sense. All right, figured it out. Fine work. Nice. All right, sheep, get to working. Work that sheep shit. Fine work. Okay, nice. Yeah, the little brother just pets him. That's what I had a feeling about. I can pick him up, but MikeWee's just fuck with the sheep. He likes fucking with things. Lots and lots of things. That's just what my little brother does. Fuck with all the things? Come on, climb up, little bro. Very careful, MikeWee. Long way down. And if you